Today, we're making an easy weeknight recipe with sweet California prunes, savory onion and chilies, and skin-on chicken legs. We'll start by hydrating 2 dried ancho chilies, then set those aside. Pat 2 pounds of chicken legs dry with a paper towel, then season with salt and pepper. Heat a tablespoon of California olive oil in a skillet and sear the meat over medium-high heat until it's browned on both sides. Set the chicken on a plate to the side and turn the heat down to low. Add a chopped red onion and 2 cloves of thinly sliced garlic to the pan and sauté until soft. Stir in 2 teaspoons of cumin, 1 cup of chicken stock, and 1/4 cup of sherry wine. Once combined, stir in a tablespoon of white miso and remove your pan from the heat. Drain the chilies, cut them in half to remove the seeds and core, then add them along with 16 pitted California prunes to the sauce. Return your chicken to the pan and nestle it in, spooning the liquid over the meat. Then cover and simmer over low heat for 20 minutes. Baste the chicken, then continue cooking until it starts to fall off the bone. Remove the chicken again and set it on a serving dish. Add 2 tablespoons of sherry vinegar to the sauce, then bring it to a simmer, stir, and season with more salt to taste. Serve the chicken with a spoonful of the prune sauce and a garnish of fresh cilantro.